Hey guys, I'm here right now at Manila Ocean Park, as you can see. Yes, that's behind me. Sharks and fish. And also you can see above me here. So everywhere you look, there's a lot of fish, which is exciting. I'm here for the PIA, Philippine Institute Architects of the Philippines, for a gig. And so while we're still on waiting mode, I'm exploring the new Manila Ocean Park. I was here like 8 years ago pa. So it's even more beautiful today kasi na-enhance na siya. Nadagdagan siya ng maraming mga bagong attractions. I'll keep you posted, guys. Hey guys! So we're gonna start in a while. I have a lot of photo bombers here. These are the Adamson Architecture Coral. Pinahirapan talaga si Mami Star. At syempre sa likod namin ang mga sharks. As you can see, there's my bag. Thank you, Direct Alex, for my bag.
Meron na akong immediate important task sa inyo. Ilan kayo lahat? Ilan kayo lahat? Okay. Can you please start dun sa likod? Then hold one of the banners. Pili na kayo ng banners doon, section banners.
Thanks. We're gonna start.
Tapos sasabayan niyo yung
Sharky. Ang ganda ng shark. Scary. And here's our buffet for later, for lunchtime. And that will be our program area. That's the stage. Say hi!